We did a very custom one-off build for a very large customer of ours, and they told us exactly what they needed, and we put it together in 4 business days and shipped them a working prototype. Ever since then, 7 years ago, they've been our customer because of how quickly we were able to move for them, how we were able to adapt so specifically to their use case, and how we've been able to provide them product that doesn't have huge lead times. That's another benefit to our product line and how it's manufactured, is that the lead times aren't 60, 90, 120 days for either a custom product that we're doing for the customer or for an off-the-shelf product. Our lead times, depending on volume, are typically anywhere from right now, we'll have it for you, to potentially 6 to 8 weeks, depending on the complexity of the product and overall volume.